Greetings, everyone. Greetings, lovers of freedom. Please, I want you to share this video. Make sure that it reaches Chika Edozie's hand. So I want you to share it so that every other Biafrans will see it. And most importantly, let this video reach to every members of ex-DOS gangsters, most especially Chika Edozie and China Sanworu, because in this video you will see members of IPOB in Biafraland making one request and saying one thing. I don't want to say much so that you will not say it is Mazi Map that said it. I want you to hear it from the horse's mouth, because IPOB members have had enough and they are saying enough is enough. This is the stand of IPOB worldwide. Pay attention to this. Like I said, share this video so that it will reach Chika Edozie and everyone who it may concern. Let it reach them. Make sure you share this video. Most importantly, share it so that it will reach Chika Edozie and all members of DOS ex-gangsters, so that they will not say, oh, we didn't see it, we are not aware, we are not informed. They have already sent the message privately. They are now sending it publicly and on social media for record purpose.
Family. One family. One family. IPOB. Today's date. 15 June. Yes, today was 15 June 2026. Yes. I see I work today in IPOB. IPOB under the leadership of Mazi Map. Kaisi Sukata. Wacha kai kuo kubiko onye nuru ozi a wejeria Chika Edozie, who the head of DOS, onye ndu ha buru njema. Stop shaking the camera, we are straight. Onye Mazi Nnamdi deputize our leader for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Biko onye obuna nuru ozi a to saya. Aye wetoro okwu for violence. He said okwu general yakana was struggle. Tata, you do about IPOB under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It doesn't matter. Kamali swear to his stage, you come up for an about for us under higher. I go touch, no problem, God will judge. So I will talk because you want to fool video to say, go room as a Chika Edozie. Now the principal officers concerning here na our struggle. The I choro budo ni na budo the organization na jo nobody paid us. And what you buy say mayor or boy sponsor I mayor in times of ego see mobile trouble face. No. We are saying it the way that OCDI know it today. Concerning here na our struggle. Here na our struggle. I just got that today. When I was to struggle on edozie obi mma. Ti was obu adeno abro yanwa ke wotere ayi ujo. Obo yanwa ke me ya na menwe isi. Maro na ndi ro gbara ya okirikiri. Ayi bubutezi ihe gbasa wa struggle na social media. Ma ndi ro ayi, ma ndi di against ya na me na achizi ayi ochi. Ogwa kana ma ga-ejiri ụmụ ayi. I say IPOB under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in IPOB. I never was got today. When I say who don't organiru Kaichoro. Now you could Mazi Nnamdi Kanu attack for Makamuna again. And or compromise them. We should not make that ship to sink. I am a quick sheep who I think. So today, I took I will opportunity when I yo. It's a move and answer and we're able to my anger. The age of unity. We in Africa didn't know if you're around watching. And you got a man with a ball for. I know you're not see more than major. More than major, no. Say forget, yeah. Say why, forget, yeah. It doesn't matter if it's 2 stations on the autopilot. No, they go, no. God will judge you ma ihe na-ekwu eziokwu ma ọ ga-asị maka some of us anyị kwudo ata again na bụ autopilot na aha ya mana ọkwa ndị na-ekwudo atị bụ ndị na-ayasa ihe a na-eme only Chukwu Okike abịa ma will judge na ka anyị ruo ebe anyị amago how much more effort I sacrifice to make sure that Biafra comes and onye ndu anyị compromise but why should we compromise why I get compromise ebe onye our frontier nọ n'iru ka kwechiri kedu ka anyị ga-esi were tigbo zogbo wee na-ayasa ihe niile anyị si ka anyị were opportunity a ndị a na-ekreti nuisance na social media Maazị Chika edozie m ka ị na-abịara ha anya gwa ha na onye unu ya na-agba ọkụ anaghị achụ oge we are risking our life. Some of them that have own abroad, no matter what we are passing through at Biafraland. Look at the masses. I know the Kande, IPOB in Ozo, and the Bezai in Ozo. Gabazi Adrom and Navas Adrom, or you see them. It's the Moko Adrom, mine, I yawn, and I soon wouldn't do. United and say forget I know this time I know it's not the time of Simon and Mekanka or Melanka one simply Simnandekano Mochina Samurun Kanka. I am on that level now because I know in the middle of danger make a full and more now I talk how wine can I know this who could not call on a social media or one the kind of sign I will see again with I need ono chechi chono wonde ndo kabaru unite ano ki ya na-eme kan we can achieve where try to unite obro som ga-egwu okwu ụfọdụ ndị na-ebe a ga-egwu ka agwụ ụlọ okwu ka ọ gara ebu na ọsọsọ m na-egwu and anyị chọkwa ka anyị were opportunity a wee zie ụnụ Chika edozie m anyị na-ayọ ụnụ na the leadership ọgwụ anyị ji na-akpọ Chika edozie ọ ya wawe onye leader of DOS ka anyị were opportunity a wee gwa gị you're going in a guy and phone 8 week that you cannot bear this. I'm appealing to you and we are appealing to you to resign.
Yes.
And we're on the high and but you know that you can no longer bear what is going on. I'm appealing to you to resign. Let other person and they honor you. If I again more honor that you resign that the situation I know. And what I'm asking now, I get the leader, the DOS leader forever and ever. And what I'm where I call you too. Man, I'm watching you. Open or you go tired or resign. I know what you open need to go tired of this struggle that you can never push the struggle forward. Resign. Take care of. I know you're gonna say from now to the end of June. I need the total shutdown in the whole Biafra to make sure that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is free. Because all these things are there, the total Southeast governors, they told us heaven and earth, they promised heaven and earth that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu will be free. Today, I got Nnamdi Kanu. And also this thing on the Meha. Also this thing, boy, all you now force to Abuja. How to listen Nnamdi Kanu. First of all, Nnamdi Kanu was illegally kidnapped.
Yes.
From Kenya. And when one your committee. Gumina they negotiate with the bandit. Nnamdi Kanu nani perfume, nchano ogo, na yoja waru ka afọ na kia. On the inside a dungeon. From DSS now sentence here for no just cause. So we are appealing to you, Maazị Chika edozie m. Honorable resign if you are due and done on this agitation. I know you're getting. Dan era pukiye sidekita ka give very cheap collapse. Other IOB mma. We are not happy. Yes. I know you're getting. Biko, you open email when you resign. And I think I have opportunity here. I got to talk about if you put all the fire on flame, make sure that say how to gossiping. Can you check out that dialogue? I don't know the time of it. Tonya Gabriel, Monya Gabriel. I have one. I want Nnamdi Kanu make. I want Nnamdi Kanu make one can Nnamdi Kanu make. I want Onion do so any mistake. Oh, but I see Onion do even mistake. And then I call that area. Don't get on a prisoner. And now to you, now we now call on a social media. Of course, you guys know because now what as Onion do DOS, as Onion Nnamdi Kanu rap in Jamaica. or have I can give away no collapse. Keep on fighting. That is a leader. No matter how sad you keep on fighting and pushing. Not what you do. I think why can't handle social media? They put. So it doesn't matter if it's a frame when say I don't die gobi or bottom man. It doesn't matter if this way only open I get the videos where to is there. We call their names and the I for you to put them in order. Yes. For you to put them in order. One of their name and make a gift. I talk here. You caution all the kind of comments on the post on social media about onion. Yes. Caution wire. Yes. Yes. Second person Chika Austin. Almost here you see on and more Iberibe. No matter what you say, you is a pure disgrace. Second level, the IPOB coordinator. I'm here. Oda Keke Mugo. The kind of insult I didn't be kind of you don't like it. Another page, Omochuku writers. Here had a no gather I am. I had a going is dead and buried. I had a going along like it's a useless entity. We are not talking about her. She is not an IPOB member. She is not. You're on your Zoom. Another person said, yeah, but the cano Shanahani Abu. I got a disgrace here. My Botaba had a city to go against you. And what I want to do to measure Apota, America is a gas on the material. I was a case of castigate here on social media. Secondly, Family Writers Press International. Ono Kose Maria, Ono Namen on social media. You people should stop it. And the worst of it, among Onyabo, Siahi was not Biafran child, but the I person Biafran useless child. Biafran zoo and useless child. I have to social media. We don't want it. I know stop where. And other social media, all of them, they should be called to an order. Say to an order. What they are doing, we don't like it. Yes. I actually here. This is not the time of IPOB. You know our bush is nearly full and not there. Yes. They want to invade us. Instead of us, I check out on. We're trying and I try. I want to choose you. I was Chika edozie we don't want it yet or peace. We don't want it. So I would like some few persons to make their own contribution. How can they take us from there? How can they take us from here to Udon and IPOB? Here to Udon. Peace, all So, my brother, you are from IPOB. Talk to the leadership. Briefly, not 2 minutes.
I like it. I like a solution about a son in Biafra. He had to go to Gaita. That was not on the table. Because I told you, you had to still at least a line not to come to change. You got line what today. I was so I think I was so much in school. So I came on to them in her. I could say you have today. I don't want to go wine. So not coming. I have line not coming. I cannot move.
Shalom. It's a book at home. And I actually here, Bomoke, Boyan, And there's a Bible make I mad that no one suppose him want to alone and none. So this is gospel, Anna. Why are you tired of this? On your bone, this is struggle. Yes, we can do continue. Yes, I got hala put na you could born. I got no good dog, what so that na you could free. What can I have done? A bottle of wine. I want wine, a bottle of wine. I want walking up. Oh, the alcohol I have to go tired. Yes, he had your Buddha. Can you make it Chika on when the so that he had a bank at no beginning? I don't know. Yes, I'm a tap.
So, I na agwa onye ọbụla ihe ịchọ bụ udo. Nobody and you guys say me vida. Bribe I. Onye bribe I say me vida na Biafra ga George ai. Mana ọkọ si dia na obi. I do na me vida. I na si ku udo. Na IPOB go ya ichi 2 minutes.
Na biko na ana m ekele unu. Ọhịa Biafra. Ọhịa Biafra. Ndị DOS unu akparịsị na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Because na ọ gwara unu eziokwu, no chiz go 100 men.
So, I'm na yo unu na-asị ka Chineke ya na-achọ bụ udo. Udo ihe na-ebe a ndị Biafra. Ịghọtago? Ihe na-ebe a ndị Biafra, udo na ọganihu ka anyị chọrọ. So, udo Chineke dịrị anyị ncha niile.
I believe you now listen and you hear it with your own ear and you see it. Now, it's very shameful that na a movement like IPOB that kidnap Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, the so-called people that call themselves leadership, for the past 5 years, they could not come up with any good, tangible strategy for Biafra restoration or even to free their leader. The only thing they succeeded or they have the capacity to do is to divide IPOB and put crisis in IPOB and start turning IPOB against IPOB and selling IPOB members to the Nigeria government. Divide everything and destabilize all the effort of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Now, up till today, the so-called incompetent, failed ex-DOS gangsters cannot make any move for anything good. They buy their puppies and start attacking their own spring leader. The message is clear. I have said it before. Chika edozie should resign. That man is nothing but a coward and a failure. His incompetency is overwhelming, is overflowing. Okay? Chika edozie is the epitome of incompetency. So he should resign now or face the consequences. I don't want to say much. The message has passed. Onye nwekwa ntị ya nụrụ. Kesi ihe onyonyo a ka olu ndị ọzọ ntị maka ndị ya sị na ha afọ ya. Ndewonu, aka m bụkwa nwanne unu nwoke